What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this review, go ahead and check out my Instagram on the bottom left, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you enjoy this video by the end of it, hit me up with a thumbs up. All right, let's get into this video. You already know what we are discussing just by looking at the title and looking at the item that is behind me. So obviously we are discussing Supreme Week 19, Spring Summer 2018, Mona Lisa tee. Again, this item came out in week 19 of Spring Summer 2018 and it retailed on the website and in store for about $36. Now, if you got this item shipped to you at about $10 and cost about $46 total. Now, the sizing options for this t-shirt, much like most Supreme t-shirt drops, were from small to extra large. Now, the shirt also came in 8 different colors. It came in the red, purple, pink, white, yellow, blue, heather gray, and black. Now, taking a look at StockX.com, the most popular or the best performing t-shirt of this color is going to be the white one and the black one. The worst performers are going to be the purple and the pink ones. Now, I was actually able to cop a size small in the red, and that's going for about $140. Alright, so let's actually start looking at the t-shirt itself. So I'm standing right next to my size small red t-shirt. Now, as you can see on the front, this is a screen printed design, and it is a screen printed design of the Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Now, it looks kind of weird. So you see Mona Lisa, but it looks like the painting is behind glass, or it's a photo that's behind glass and the glass is shattered. And you can see that this screen printed design on this specific shirt is done up in white and then black. And again, this is a 2-color process screen printing. So what happens is the white is laid down first on the t-shirt and then the black is laid down next. Now, what makes up the black are these little dots called dot per inch. So it's not like a flat design. It's not like a smooth over image. It's like little dots, because when you screen print, there's like little holes that peep through. So you can actually see when you're looking at the t-shirts, the dots that make up this image. Now, adjacent to the Mona Lisa design, you have this font right here that says Supreme, starting with the S on top and going down the shirt. And with this font on the side, you can actually see some of the dots. So definitely when the black was laid down for the Mona Lisa, the black for the wording or the font was laid down at the same time on the same screen. Now, in doing a little research, I was able to identify this font. This font is actually oblique regular, which is found on most operating systems, Mac and PC. Now, in mentioning that, I'm kind of upset. I think using the oblique regular font was pretty lazy. I think they could have used the box logo or centered this design and then put Supreme on the bottom of the Mona Lisa. I just think this was a really lazy project. Now, this screen printed design was printed on top of a 100% cotton t-shirt, and this actually feels kind of rough to the touch. It definitely does not feel like an American Apparel t-shirt. I actually want to say that this t-shirt is a Gildan t-shirt or an all-style t-shirt, which is pretty durable material, but it's hard to the touch, or it's rough to the touch. I don't have a problem with Gildan t-shirts or all-style t-shirts. They do make quality t-shirts, but when I see those brands, I think more of like local sports or local businesses. I don't see like a Supreme, or I think Social Club actually prints on Gildan too. Companies of that stature shouldn't be printing on that. They should be printing on District Threads or printing on American Apparel, something of more high quality. This is a 100% cotton t-shirt. It is just a plain t-shirt. There is no like dry fit technology or any other technology with it. The pros of 100% cotton is the fact that it is insulating and it is very breathable. Disadvantages to 100% cotton: it can shrink and it can wrinkle, so you definitely have to iron these t-shirts. And when you put them in the wash, make sure you put the shirt inside out so you don't destroy the graphic design that is on the front of this, especially since this graphic is done up in plastisol material. So the collar is about 1 inch in width. The tag on the back has the box logo, and it says a size small or an S. and then it says made in the USA, 100% cotton. There's really nothing too much going on with this t-shirt. In terms of fitment, this shirt, it fits pretty true to size. Again, it is a size small. I normally wear smalls. This is actually a Gildan t-shirt. I'm about 5'5". I weigh about 140 pounds. I'm not too big in size. In wearing this t-shirt, it doesn't fit too loose or too snug. It fits just right. And I would suggest whatever size you normally wear to go with that when buying one of these t-shirts. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for the review of the Mona Lisa tee. So I'm going to actually raffle this one off on this Instagram page, not the one that's on the bottom, backflip_, and I'll post it up on there, and we'll have some slots going. We'll have like $10 to $12 slots going, and if you're interested in it, go ahead and hit me up on that Instagram page. And I really don't care what you do with the t-shirt, whether you sell it, where you actually wear it, it doesn't matter to me. It's yours if you win. So what do you think about the Mona Lisa Supreme tee? Is it a good pickup? A bad pickup? Let me know down in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I am only trying to bring you better content. And if you enjoyed this video, hit me up with a thumbs up. Alright guys, I am Chris Catalunya. Don't forget about the raffle, backflip_, and we will check you later. Cheers.